try to demonstrate. This is the maximum water level for nebulizer. You get a blue LED light. It's only water inside it. This is the oxygen outlet. This should be the maximum water level. The first button is power button, and then you have a plus button for the timer, minus button for the timer, and this is the flow control button, and this is the speaker control button. I prefer keep switching it off because it's in Chinese. So this is the flow button. I choose 1 liter at 93%. Then you have 2 at 82, 3 at 72, 4 at 52, 5 at 40, 6 at 35, 7 at 30% oxygen saturation level. This is the total time it has run on top, and you can set the timer by choosing this button. So I choose 10 minutes. I can keep pressing, so it will keep increasing. This is the minus to reduce the timer. So this is the off timer, so it will run for these many minutes. So I choose 2. 2 is basically, it's not chosen, it's the total run time. And this is the the speaker button. So if I choose the speaker button, so of course it will keep speaking in Chinese. So far I haven't found a way to change the language, but there might be English language option, which I am currently not aware. Thank you for watching.